So we have amplitude, we have frequency, we have velocity, we have acceleration, and we have momentum. So what is the disparity? What is the correlation? What is the relationship between amplitude and frequency? What causes amplitude? So why you could have an A chord, but yet you have another note, but it's a higher pitch. So what causes amplitude is when there's a force, and this force creates an energy that vibrates. What the hell is it? Okay, so semantic ambiguity in literary devices, in rhetorical devices, derive from the tonality. Like a sarcastic statement. Contrast. So don't use these terms interchangeably and out of context. And now, the juxtaposition of incongruity is the whole process of merging this incompatibility into some sort of cohesive phenomenon. So it's supposed to be contrast, but when you juxtapose them, there's a cohesiveness to this polarity. They become one, right? They might be polarity, coexisting polarity.